Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana. In this video, I have a 2-day video for you guys. I am going to be organizing my shelf that I have in my kitchen, and I will also be taking things out of my cabinet and putting them on my shelf and just organizing them just better to our household and just making it a little bit more convenient and just less messy.
Got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. You make all my problems feel miles away. Nothing in this world made sense up till today. I can see the colors now, no black and white. If you keep this up, then I'll stay the night. 'Cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. It's coming over me. It's everywhere I see. It feels like ecstasy. Our chemistry surrounds me. Wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be.
I really like so far that we have all of our spices sitting out. I don't know if you guys ever seen in any of my other videos, but we do have a little spice rack on the wall, but it definitely doesn't hold all of our spices, and it's nice to see all of the spices, especially the ones that aren't up. So it's convenient for it to all be out there, and it's even more convenient for all of our coffee to be out, so that way we're not like hunting to find out if we have any more coffee, if we need to buy any more. Usually we're like looking through cabinets trying to search and find out if we have coffee. Now it's right there out in the open and we don't have to search for it.
We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you?
this cabinet, I just put, you know, like our breakfast foods, and then like, well, not all breakfast foods, our oatmeals, because I have so much oatmeal, some noodles, and then their little mandarin oranges packs. I just felt like that was more convenient for it to go right there. We didn't have much of it, so it was nice for it just to fit right there.
How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high.
Doing this cleaning, I really realized how much of the same things we have. I had like 3 bottles of ketchup, 2 jars of mayonnaise, and I was just like rebuying them because I didn't know if we had them or not. So I just kept rebuying them. Now I can see exactly where they're at. I had like 3 bottles of hot sauce. Like this, it's ridiculous. So yeah, that was too much.
Turn around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good.
I hope you guys like the after shots of how it all turned out. I know I didn't get before shots because I just wanted to jump right into it, but I hope you guys enjoy the after shots.
I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
And here we are on day 2. I am just going to clean up my dishes in my kitchen. I have a new tripod that I just got, and I'm trying out new angles. I hope you like the overhead view. I'm trying to figure it out. This is all new, and I'm testing it out. And I'm testing it out on this video and seeing how the angles look. It will get better over time. This is just, I took it right out of the pack and was like, okay, I'm using it today. So I hope you guys are ready for new angles and better views in my videos, because I'm excited. I was waiting for this tripod for a long time, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We Look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. If you stay, if you stay, if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, if you stay, if you stay, oh, if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. It's time that we put out the fire. With every breath I breathe you out, we just can't take it anyhow.
And so we are reaching the end of this video. I am just going to clean out my humidifier. It's really not much to see. It was just really needed to cleaned out. So yeah, I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation out of this. And I'm just going to leave you guys there. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I wanted to